for the Tucson hitch install, what we're going to have to do is move this plastic thing here, which is, you know, these clips, not this one, but this clips along here, and then these you can twist out either by finger or tool. They're kind of like a clip. So we're going to take that off. So we got that piece off. It's just there, and it's probably not going back on. The next thing I want to do is get the, well, I'm going to size it up. I might remove the muffler to get it out of the way. I'm going to pull it out of its box here and see. It looks like I can work around the muffler, so I'm going to leave it up there for now. This is going to be for the harness, the hitch harness. Let's see what we have in our little box of gear here. Here's our nuts and bolts. So this one looks like it's like 1.5 inches or 1.25 inches, whatever that size is, so I wouldn't recommend towing anything huge with this. So that cover is not going to go back on. Get these all opened up. So it looks like they're all the same size, which is good. It makes it easier. If you see these washers, they have little like things sticking off one side. That's going to be one going towards the body of the car or whatever, so you want to go away from the end of the bolt. That's going to help it grip and stay in place. But before I do all that and start holding it up there, what I like to do is just thread these in by hand to make sure they're going to go in good. So you don't want to be holding it up there and then know there's a problem, something stuck in there, it's not going in. So I am going to put them in all the holes and make sure they're all clear and good. So putting this hitch up there in place to get the bolt started, you can grab a friend if you don't have any friends. I usually don't, so I'm going to grab something else to hold this end up here while I get them started. So this is my friend right here. He's going to hold this up. Hold one side up while I get started and get the other side started, then I can get this out, and then he can go back to doing whatever he was doing. So we're putting those go on the outside here. It's like an L shape. Put my friend away. See, that would be 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. We can get all those in. You see that cover's not going to go back on, I mean, unless you're going to cut out a spot for it if you really want it. But all these bolts are 17 millimeter. I'm going to go around and get those all tightened in. They're not in all the way. But we got it all bolted in. It's all sturdy. You put their little cover on here. Alright, the next one I will do a separate video to do the wiring. Just in case someone just wants the wiring or just wants the hitch, they don't have to watch this whole thing. Pretty hidden just for the end there.